Hi, I'm Balloon Josh from Neverland Balloons and Face Painting, and I'm here with ClownAntics.com. And today, we're going to teach you how to make your very own wearable Darth Vader helmet.
Luke, I am your father.
We're going to need 1 million black balloons. Just kidding, 6. And they're going everywhere. You're going to leave them about 4 inches or so uninflated, or about a hand's width. But we're going to tie the knots of all of them together in pairs of 2. So take these 2, tie the knots together, and we tie these 2 knots together. And then I grab the last 2, because we only had 6 black balloons. We tie these together. So we have 6 balloons tied together in pairs. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take these 6 and we're going to twist them together. So I just twist them together at the knots, and then take these other remaining 2, twist them. So we have 6 black balloons, inflated all the way except for about a hand's width, and then we're going to twist them all together. Now we go about a hand's width out, or about 3 to 4 inches, and we're going to twist a bubble, and then go over to the balloon next to it. And if you can tell, we're just going to keep going around. And this is your basic basket weave. You're just going to go basic basket weave, and you go all the way around, and then you feed it through. And again, these bubbles are about a hand's width wide, or about 4 inches or so. And then you're going to do the same thing. You do a spacer bubble, and then you go over to the balloon next to it, and you twist them together, leaving a spacer bubble, and just keep working your way all the way around. Leaving a small spacer bubble, twist them together, leave a small spacer bubble, twist together. When you get all the way around, you're going to feed it through and bring it out. And once you have 2 rows, then you're going to size it to the person. And you want to make sure that it fits their head. And then you're going to measure the bridge of their nose. And you want it to go down, because for this one, you want to be able to see out. We're not making a hat, we're making a helmet. So this one, you need to leave eye holes. So once you get how long the bridge of their nose is, you twist that and you go back up, twisting it, leaving the small spacer bubble. And again, continue to work all the way around, just like you did before, except this time when you get back around, you're going to go back to the original, so you have 2 eye holes. But then you continue like business as usual, small spacer bubble, and keep working your way around. Essentially what you should have by the end of this is you'll have 2 rows above the eye holes, and then you'll have 3 rows below the eye holes, is essentially how it normally works. Now, some people, the sizing will be slightly different if they have a larger head. Some people have a larger forehead than others, so you'll have to do 3 rows above the eye holes. And rarely have I had to connect extra balloons at the bottom. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a pinch twist at the bottom and then break off the excess. So just do a small bubble, about a 1/2 inch bubble, and then turn it into a pinch twist, and we're going to do that at the bottom of each of these. So 1/2 inch bubble, pinch twist. We do a 1/2 inch bubble, pinch twist. And again, this is pretty much a one-size-fits-all type design. You've custom fitted a little bit. There's like, child sizes versus an adult size, but for the most part, it's a one-size-fits-all type situation. We do a pinch twist, and then we're gonna have all these pieces hanging down. We're gonna break them off as close to the pinch twist as possible, except for the front one. So you'll see, we're gonna go around breaking it off as close to the pinch twist as possible. And then the front one, you actually want to do the opposite. You want to break it off as close to the end as possible, because we want a nice long tail here, because that's what we're going to use to attach the Darth Vader mask breathing apparatus. So you can just push it down on their head, and if you left it like this, you could have a nice like knight's helmet, or you could even turn it into almost like a Batman type helmet or Iron Man type helmet. But we're going to take the silver chrome, which looks really nice. You're gonna make about a 2-inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, which we will then fold over and pinch twist. Then we'll do another about 2.5 inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble. So this is a little bit longer bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, pinch twist, and then again, 2.5 inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, pinch twist, and then 2-inch bubble. So we're creating almost like a diamonds type thing. So 2-inch bubble, wrap it around, connect it, and then we're gonna do another 1/2 inch bubble, pinch twist, and then we're gonna bring this up turning this into essentially a triangle. And then so we went up, over, pinch twist, and then back up. And this one we also want a long tail because this is gonna help us attach it to the mask. So our tail here, we're gonna attach to the bottom of the eye holes for the mask, at the bottom of the nose. So we're gonna wrap that around, and then our long strap from before, we're gonna attach to the bottom of this triangle. So the top of the triangle is attached around the eyes, and the bottom of the triangle is attached to the base around the mouth. And this is a very quick and easy thing you can pump out fast for line work. And it's the very own Darth Vader helmet.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. All of the products listed are down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. We will see you next time.